Heavy rain developing over northern Victoria. And for Tuesday the 6th of October, this is Force 13's AU channel with the latest on the developing weather scene. And once again, Bureau Meteorology has issued a severe weather warning for people in the Mallee, Northern Country, North Central, Wimmera, parts of the Central, Southwest, Northeast forecast districts. On the screen is the warning area. Low pressure system will deepen over northwestern Victoria during Wednesday evening before tracking south during Thursday, and I think this is the one that is expected to intensify. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding, also forecast to develop across the western and central parts of the warning area late tomorrow before extending to the northeast ranges early on Thursday. 6-hourly rainfall totals to 30 to 50 millimetres are possible in the early hours of Thursday. A flood watch is also current for the northeast region of Victoria. Locations currently under the warning which could be affected: Mildura, Horsham, Bendigo, Shepparton, Seymour and Maryborough. So that is the first severe weather warning for Victoria. Initial flood watch for northeast Victoria, updated 14:37, daylight saving. Minor and moderate flooding is possible in the warning area from, I should say, the watch area from tomorrow night into Thursday, and the low pressure system or the low pressure trough will deepen into a low over northern Victoria Wednesday night, and is forecast to track south over the Bass Strait and Tasmania during Thursday. And as we know, some of the catchments in the flood watch area are moderately wet from recent rainfall. In the 3 days to midnight Friday, rainfall totals of up to 80 to 120 millimetres forecast on northeast ranges, with heaviest falls expected during Wednesday and Thursday, with the rises likely in the flood watch catchments in response to the forecast rain, and flooding may develop from overnight Wednesday into Thursday. And we have a strong wind warning for tomorrow. West coast, the central Gippsland, east Gippsland coast. Now let's have a look at Tasmania and see if the Bureau has issued any new warnings. There's a frost warning for the Upper Derwent Valley, a flood warning for the Coal River, minor flood warnings for the following: the Macquarie, Wither Derwent, Jordan Withers, and the Bureau's finalised the one for the North Esk River. Strong wind warning for the far northwest, central north coast, east of the Flinders Island for Wednesday. Now, South Australia has also got a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall, and it's for the Flinders, Riverland, parts of the mid-north, Murraylands, north-east pastoral districts. Rain developing across some northern and eastern parts of South Australia. On the screen is the area under the warning: Hawker, Port Augusta, Jamestown, Peterborough, O'Leary and Renmark. Areas of rain will extend across most of South Australia during tomorrow. The heaviest falls expected across the Flinders district early Wednesday, extending to the remainder of the warning area late on Wednesday. Strong wind warning for tomorrow, Spencer Gulf, and the Bureau also has a sheep graziers warning for the west coast, lower air, eastern air peninsulas, York Peninsula, the Flinders Mid North Riverland, Northwest Pastoral, Northeast Pastoral forecast districts. And what's happening here in Queensland? No warnings. WA, strong wind warning for the West Kimberley, Pilbara coast east. And a cancelled one for the Pilbara, Nigaloo, Gascoyne coast. However, tomorrow, strong wind warning gets expanded to include the Perth local waters. And we've had a look at precipitation, storm probability, and here's the BOA's day 1 through 8 total forecasts of rain. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. Interesting detailed within the BOA severe weather warnings. Here's a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level, and this is from 10 AM through to 2200 hours tomorrow. If you haven't already subscribed to our earthquake channel, please consider doing so. The earthquake activity has increased over the last several hours. Japan had nearly a magnitude 6 a couple of hours ago. And tropical storm Delta currently going up through the Caribbean, heading into the Gulf of Mexico, could turn into a Category 5 hurricane. And finally, in this update, and we'll be back tomorrow with more updated information, a look at a couple of the models. And the low pressure system supposed to get down into the late 990s.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/Force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.